This gele that I'm going to tie is 3 layers. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm trying to create my pleats at the front. This pleat is not much, just 3 pleats at the front, at least just to give it that neat look. So the gele, I divided it into 2 equal halves, that is before placing it on my head. So the 2 hands now are equal. So just focus your eyes. You can see the one that I picked before I start making my pleats is the one directly behind my ear. So just focus your eyes and tie your own. Bring your gele, let's tie together. If there is any question you want to ask me, please let me know in the comment section. And if there is any gele you want me to tie for you to see, or any gele you want to learn and you don't know how to go about it, let me know in the comment section. So thanks for joining me. You are welcome to my page. This is Gold Bridals. You can see I've started the second one. I still pick from the back of my ear, the hand right behind my ear, so that you will not twist it. So anytime you are picking your gele, make sure you pick the one right behind your ear. Hope you understand, and I hope you understand my explanation. My dear, explaining gele, it's not easy, just somehow well, but if you focus your eyes, you will not find it difficult to tie. So at times, just ignore my explanation and focus your eyes. And if you like my explanation, why not just listen to me and tie your gele? So you can see the second hand is very short, so you can see the fan there. I've created a small fan at the front now, so I'm trying to create the second one, but this second one is not going to be fan, but something similar, like a rose, like fan. Just watch and see the way I'm going to do it. And in this video I have like 3 styles, but I'm using one base now to create these 3 styles. So if you know how to convert your gele, if you know how to create style, you know gele is very, very simple. You can see this is another style. So if you just want something, different, you can just do it this way and you are good to go. So you can see another one. This one, just give it a name. Let me know the name you give to this style in the comment section. Is it fan standing, or what do you call it, or olumo rock? Let me know in the comment section. If you like something standing, if you like notice me style, you are good to go. This one is okay for you. But if you don't like it that way, well, you can just do the way I'm doing the second one now. You load the height, that is, you reduce it, then you got your simple gele. And this is another way of tying it to make your simple rose. Please give me a like, help me to share.